How to fix Apple Store no internet connection error on iPhone. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings and you're going to find an option under the general option. Click on general and inside of this, you're going to look for VPN and device management. After you check that out, you will be able to see or check out all the VPN and DNS over here. Ensure that you disable or disconnect any VPN connection that you have. After that, restart your device. The next thing that you could do is you could search the App Store of the App Store server status. There will be a support page for Apple that will display if all servers are operating normally. If servers are down or any of the servers are down, wait until they get fixed. But if none of those options are fixed, it is possible that your Wi-Fi connection is the issue, your router or your internet provider are down. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.